Welcome to the Reservoir installment of Jeffrey Court University. My name is Mike, and we're going to explore our cutting-edge Reservoir porcelain panels from our specialty collection. Produced in northern Italy, these stunning Reservoir porcelain panels are produced using the very latest in three-dimensional digital technology to create incredible realism with expanded utility that opens new possibilities for designers and homeowners alike. One of the outstanding features of Reservoir is its versatility in application. This is due to the durability of the panels themselves being able to be used in both interior and exterior applications. Thanks to its glazed porcelain construction, Reservoir panels are impervious, so they can be used in freeze-thaw climates. In addition, they can be used in wet areas like showers and steam baths. Their 6-inch by 24-inch size scales them appropriately to be used as backsplashes in kitchens without the maintenance worry of natural stone or wood materials. And the icing on the cake. Thanks to their dynamic high-definition printing, you will be hard-pressed to tell the difference between real stone and these porcelain panels. Oh, and did I mention they are a fraction of the weight of their natural stone counterparts? In total, there are 5 color options available in the Reservoir Specialty Collection panels. 3 colorways simulate natural stones, whereas the other 2 available colors simulate an authentic wood look. Let's take a look at the 3 natural stone colorways, which are an ideal, eco-friendly substitute for natural materials. First is Elm Creek, which correctly replicates a vein-cut white marble. This elegant look features a wonderful variation of whites and grays. Next, we have Fresh Spring, which is a white quartzite look with a soothing low color variation that features a large degree of natural texture typical of quartzites. To round out our natural stone colorways, we have Stone River, which is a blend of gray, white, and tan quartzites coupled with a lot of texture, providing a stunning natural look. Our 2 wood look colors are also a great option in lieu of natural materials. Unlike natural wood, Reservoir panels do not fade or decay and will not fall victim to moisture or insects. Wildwood simulates a natural blend of oak and ash. The color and deep natural graining create an amazing realistic effect. Lastly, Timberwolf is the same blend of oak and ash with a subtle whitewash effect. Thanks to Reservoir's cutting-edge digital manufacturing process, there are almost 1,000 different combinations of elevation, color, and texture. So, just like in Mother Nature, you will be hard-pressed to find 2 panels that are the same. Therefore, as a good rule of thumb and practice during installation, care should be taken to blend product from multiple cartons laid out prior to installation to ensure a proper, uniform look. Installation of all Reservoir porcelain panels should be done with a high-quality thin set. A wet saw outfitted with a diamond blade is recommended for cutting the porcelain panels. It is recommended to use a 1/16-inch grout joint and a complementary colored grout to make the grout joint virtually disappear. A 33% offsetting of panels during installation will also help make the 3D pattern come to life. There are no out corners with these tiles, so 2 panels will need to be mitered together when turning corners. Cleaning is simple. Stains wash right away with the neutral cleaner. Even graffiti is easily removed without a trace, making these ideal for exterior installations. To learn more about Reservoir porcelain panels, check out our website at jeffreycourt.com. And remember, you can ask questions you have about any of the products you see in these videos on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Thanks for visiting Jeffrey Court University. Now get out there and create an impression.